Hello and welcome to my channel. In this math video tutorial, we want to solve this problem. And then the first thing you need to consider is that this 16 to the power of x over 256 to the power of y needs to be evaluated to give us any of the options we're having here considering this condition. So if you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a video you get notified. And this video will aim to prepare you for your SAT exams on mathematics, and then we'll be having a series of videos in this manner. So what do we need to do? Firstly, we need to understand that 16 itself could be reduced to be 4 to the power of 2, and also 256 could also be reduced to 4 to the power of 4. And because they both are having the same base, if we are meant to do direct substitution to that problem, so we have that 16 to the power of x all over 256 to the power of y will be the same as 4 to the power of 2, which is for 16. For this x, you just need to add it there, all over 4 to the power of 4. Because we have y already as a power, we have to add it. So now, because we're having the same base according to the division law of indices, you just need to take one of the common base and then you subtract the power, which is 2x minus 4y. Now, coming to the condition, we have that 2x minus 4y is 3. So we substitute 3 for this 2x minus 4y. So we have 4 to the power of 3, which will give us 64. So the best option for this problem is C. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video.